Good morning students. In previous YouTube link I had explained you vocabulary prefixes. In today's video I would be explaining you articles a and the. Now read along with me. Read the following sentences. If I were a leaf, I would fly in the blue skies across the world. Tommy thought. If the wind blows you in that direction, an older leaf said suddenly coming beside them. You will end up in the city dump. So students, have you noticed it's written a, the and an. है कि नहीं? An, a और the use किया है. These are said to be as articles. Now come to the next side of your page. Now students, look here on your page number 33. Articles a and an are called indefinite articles. A और an को क्या कहते हैं? Indefinite articles. It is used with singular noun and adjective. Where it is used? along with singular noun and adjective के साथ a और an use होता है. Remember, along with singular noun. When we talk about the noun for the first time, जब हम किसी noun के बारे में first time, when we talk about it or we talk about non-specific noun, it is said to be as a and an. Remember here, a and an we use for singular nouns, singular adjectives, for and those nouns which are used for the first time or which are also said as non-specific noun. Okay, underline this. Here we use articles a and e. A and an. Now students, pay special attention here. We use article a. Now we are talking about only a. हम सिर्फ a के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. A is used before singular nouns or adjectives. Where it is used? Before singular nouns and adjectives that begin with a consonant. अगर कोई word like book, car, green leaf, how it is beginning with B, C and G. What are these? These are said to be as consonants. Vowels क्या है students? A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. And leaving these 5 alphabets, all other alphabets from B to Z are said as consonant. Like B. B क्या है? Consonant है. C. C is coming in the vowel? No. Then C is a consonant. G is coming in the vowel? No. G is consonant. And along with this consonant words we use a. You can see a book, a car, a green leaf. So हम consonant वाले words के साथ क्या use करेंगे? A use करेंगे, which are singular nouns or adjectives. Now use article an. Now see here, we are using article an. A and an. We use it before singular nouns. Same, a भी singular noun के साथ use करते हैं and an is also used with singular nouns and adjectives. But what is the difference? Here we are using with consonant. हम a किसके साथ use करते हैं? Consonant words के साथ. And an we use with the vowel. Like A. A for apple. An apple. E. E for elephant. Okay, let's take elephant. So what we will write? An elephant. O. O for orange. An orange. An old book. See here, it is beginning with the vowel O. So for vowels we will use an. An हम किसके साथ यूज करेंगे? A वाले word के साथ. An हम यूज करेंगे E वाले word के साथ. An we will use for I. An we will use for O. And we will use for U also. Remember. And remaining letters, remaining B, C, D, I, J, K, M, P, Q, R. Such words what we are going to use? We are going to use a. Now see here article the. अभी किसकी बारी है? The की. The is called as definite articles. What it is called as? Definite articles. It is used when we talk about the noun the second time. See, first time हो तो a and an. If we are talking the same noun for the second time, कितने time? Second time use करते हैं. Or we are talking about the specific noun, we use the. See the example. I have a book. The book is very interesting. So what is the noun here? Book is the noun. First time use किया, we had written B. See here, B. Consonant है. So we will use a book. Now book हम कितने बार use कर रहे हैं? Second time. Book word हमने कितने बार use किया है? For the second time. So we will write the. It is said na, if we are using the noun for the second time, what we will use? we will use the. Now see the second one. I saw a man on the road. The man was wearing a red t-shirt. So tell me students, what is noun over here? Noun क्या है? Man is a noun. So man we are using for the first time. We will write a man. It is singular noun as well as it is starting from consonant. So we will write a man. And the same man word we are using for the second time. So we will write the man. Understood? Now look at the third example. This is the book I want you to read. Here we are using the for book. Why? Because book is here specific noun. हम specially books के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं तो book क्या हो गया यहाँ पे specific noun. Is it repeating? No. So when we are talking about this specific noun we will use the. For example, the Taj Mahal, the school. Understood? Article the is also used when the noun names something which is one of a kind. For example, the sun rises in the east. Students tell me हमारे पास बहुत सारे sun है? No, we have only one sun. Then we will use the sun. Do we have many types of east direction? No, we have only the east direction. So here we will use the sun, the east. The sky looks beautiful at night. So what we are going to write? The sky. Understood? The we use is for this noun which is coming for second time and also for specific noun. We use article the for the noun names which are of one kind. Understood? So in this way we have learned to see, we have learned to write where to use a, where to use an and where to use the. है कि नहीं? हमने आर्टिकल ए, एन और द का यूज देखा है. So students, here we are ending up with our explanation. In the next video we will be completing our examples. Okay, bye bye.